Good morning, everyone. This is a demo for KT8.AP keyboard. KT8 keyboard is in github.java.com, Java 8. So in KT8 keyboard, we will use with marker and KDE Connect just for demo. Okay. So KT8 keyboard is used as Android phone as well as a remote keyboard for Windows, Linux, and other OS. So first we will open marker and check if this keyboard can edit all the characters or not. So we will start with ABC. A, capital A is also there. B, C, C is written in white character, so just not to grow. D, D we have to grow. It looks like D because 21506, these five rectangles, black rectangles look like D. So we will do double tap to make it D. E, F is two times with yellow keys. If some character is two times with yellow keys, both the keys we have to press to grow that character. G we have to grow like 5 and 2 if we will make yellow, then remaining black rectangles look like G. So it is G. H. It looks like H, it is small h. If we have to make it capital H, then there is a white H written in shift key. So if we will write double tap this key, then but this key we will have to press with num H, or another way shift H. So there are two ways to write H: num H, H, or H shift key and then H. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W. Yellow key is written with X, so space. If only one time is written, then we have to press yellow key also. Y we have to grow. Now 4 5 2 1 0. These five rectangles look like Y, so we have to double tap on the last clicked rectangle. Now it looks like Z. 3 2 5 6 0. It looks like Z, so we have to double tap on one. So A B C D to Z. Now we will see these same characters in capital letter. First we will press enter key. Now we will do A. Now it looks like A, capital A. So we will make it up. Shift B, Shift C, D we have not to do in this way. D because yellow key is written. Then capital E, Shift E, F. F we have to press two times, or capital F. What we can do? Shift F. Shift F. Oh, it became L. Then yellow we will check if okay F we will F, okay, capital F we will check if it comes in that way. F we have to grow F, so F. Then capital G shift के साथ H is already there with white color with num key H, or shift H I. If we have to press with shift I, then capital I, or shift I, shift J, shift Q, shift R, shift S, then T. Capital T is very easy to grow, it is special also. So we will make it how? These two rectangles, if we make it yellow, black rectangles 4 3 2 5 0. These looks like capital T. So we will double tap it. Shift U, Shift V, Shift W, Shift yellow key and X. So X, Shift Y, last is Shift Z. So these are the all the alphabets, small case and capital case. Now we will go for numbers. Numbers we have to press with 1. So first we will press enter key. Num 0, num 1, num 2, num 3, num 4, num 5, num 6, num 7, num 8, num 9. Okay. Now next is if we have to press numbers, too much numbers, then every time we cannot press 1, 2, 3. So we will double tap num key and make it num mode. Now yellow color it has, green color it has become 1, 2, 3. Now the keyboard is in num mode. Now just we have to touch and number will come. No need to double tap even. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In num mode also minus key will work. Edge. Okay, that is. Then back quote, and then delete key will also work in this, and enter key will also work. Dot key will work. Like sometimes we have to write decimal point number. Then okay. So in this way the numbers will work. So now next is uh, num key. Now we will see navigation keys, because right side 7 keys are used to grow characters, and second thing we have to see, make it just single tap, it will become outcome out of num mode. 1, 2, 3 is black, so now keyboard is not num mode. Now we will see the symbols. First we will press enter key, forward slash, backward slash, percentage. Percentage means upper rectangle with slash, and lower rectangles means exclamation mark in any way. Exclamation mark, double quote, single quote, forward quote, greater than, less than, then brackets. Brackets if we will see in this way, if we will do bracket, or yellow key also can be used for brackets, because all three types of brackets are there. So brackets are also there, angle brackets. Now at the rate, because a at the rate, shift ampersand, these at the rate and ampersand are grown with shift keys. Okay. Now dollar is grown with yellow key, dollar, and hash is also grown with yellow key, hash is also there on normal like white key. So this way. And question mark is with yellow key, or another way is question mark to have make it question mark. Now 3502 looks like question mark, so it is question mark, enter key. Now we have to do minus, shift yellow key minus, yellow key P plus, yellow key M caret, asterisk symbol is there, yellow key and asterisk symbol. So tilde, any four keys if we press in upper row, it will become tilde. So tilde, caret, everything is there. So any symbol is pending, like all brackets. Total are 32 symbols. So we will check. Okay, full stop, semicolon. Semicolon is special, and semicolon is also with yellow key. If these two things we will press yellow key, and colon is also with yellow key. So colon also came, equal to came, comma is very important. 5 and 1 makes comma, 5 and 1 makes comma. Again we will do enter key, 5 and 1 makes comma. Okay, so almost all the symbols are there, like there is nothing like which symbol is not there. 32 symbols are there, so every symbol it covers. Now forward slash capital. Okay, now what is pending, like percentage, at the rate, dollar, ampersand, hash, question mark. Okay, now we will see, because this right side key is almost used for numbers, characters, symbols. So what is the use of left side? Left side will make it use for complete keyboard like navigation. First navigation is pending, so we will do with go. We can do go up, go up, go down, go down. If we will do same thing with move, move makes home key, move makes up page up key, move up makes page down key, move makes end key. So end key is also there, move makes end key. Now tab key is also there. Tab key means, tab key here in Android, I don't know if it works, move tab, but in Windows Linux, if you will, we will connect with tab key, it will work. So move tab. Now another way is, like if we have to do too much navigation, we can click menu and go together, menu key and go together to make it. Now menu and go has become green color, and arrow keys also became, navigation keys also became green color. Now not even to do double tap, just single tap and it will go up, go down, left left, right right. Tab key will also work. So same way, now we have to switch off menu, move. We will see if move. Now move key has keyboard is in move mode, so home and left will work very fast, like just single tap, and key double, single tap, page up, page up, page down, page down. So navigation keys are also there, and all types of navigation. And now we will see another more important thing. It has both the things, delete, forward delete, and backward delete, forward delete, backward delete. And now if we see, control alt shift is also there. Suppose if we have to press, select this character on, and we have to do control C, then copy. Now we have to do control V, control, oh it is in navigation mode. First we have to come out of navigation mode, then it will work. Again we will do copy, select, oh, sorry, uh, yeah, control C, copy. Now control V, paste. So control C, control V, control, all types of control alt shift with work with characters as such. Now we will see Fn F2. Fn F2 will also work. It will used for saving, like Fn num key 2 key, Fn F2, it will become num F save. So F function key is also there, and escape key is in yellow key because in Android it is not used. So these keys can be used with KDE Connect, that also we will see. First we will see, like the same language which we are typing in English can become any Indian language, phonetic language, if we change the fonts. Settings, edit mode, font, like anything we can do, like Bengali, Gurumukhi, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Udiya, SSU5P, Gujarat, Telugu, Tamil U5. So in that way we can say, okay, we will check this Gurumukhi. Okay, now we'll go and we will check, same our file will be in Gurumukhi. We see this file is in Gurumukhi. So it has all the languages in, not in Unicode character, in 0 to 127 ASCII space itself. All the Indian languages are there with this keyboard. Now we will see how to use it with KDE Connect. Although we will not connect, we will just see. We will do KDE Connect. KDE Connect we will install. Then this we will pair with Linux or Windows. Battery is Linux. Then there will be a keyboard icon will be on header, that we will click and the same keyboard will connect. Then we can use this keyboard K88 as a remote keyboard. So, and this keyboard is so small, we can use it in our wrist phone, like a watch phone, etc. So if you like this video, please let us please give us like. And also if you have any kind of feedback or try to contribute in its gift source code, then please visit github.com java 8, github.com java 8, or you can ping at just we will show it what email id, vk.com, just we will show js810@vk.com. Okay, we will change it to English so that it becomes visible. Settings, edit mode, Gurumukhi, then u5 means unique keys. Now we will go there, come out of the settings, and we will see. Okay, github.com java 8 download, you will find k88.apk, but if you want to contribute to the source code, then there is an file mtr multitouch rect numkey8 do just once full stop dot apk, or say in with same name. No, this repository mtr88 will be the repository in github.com java 8, or we can download directly this apk by using downloading k88 apk name is k88 and source code name is mtr88. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any feedback, kindly write email to js810@vk.com. Welcome.